Hey everybody, this is Soundcheck. Can you please confirm that you can hear me clearly? Thank you very much. Few minutes and we'll start the session. Right, guys, welcome back to a new weekly Forex Forecast as a live stream. Those of you are joining right now, as usual, guys, if you are new to Weighted Waves, please make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon to not miss any update. I really hope, guys, all of you made money last week. Market was moving exactly as expected for more than one pair, and you know, for gold, for more than one pair actually, especially trades of the week were moving as expected. And a lot of our members basically made money. I really hope, guys, all of you also made money. Apologies for the last week technical issue. Again, if there is any problem with the connection or like any issue from YouTube, we'll upload this again for the HD version once the stream will finish. So don't worry, we always have a backup. Now, for gold, guys, this is the most important basic pair. Usually a lot of traders traded. I really hope you made money trading this down move. Last week we said market will correct for another drop. Now, allow me, please, guys, before we go and cover this, the pairs that you can see to the right side of the screen, please allow me to show you gold again once more step by step. Okay, sorry if this will be a bit boring, but this is very, very important. Just to show you the power of knowledge and to show basically what we know and what our members are doing actually. Because we are so glad that a lot of members are making amazing success. They are passing fundamental challenges and passing more than one, like a lot of success stories, guys, by the way, inside our group. Okay, let me show you, please, quickly, gold, how we're forecasting this one and how market basically was moving step by step, wave by wave. All right. I'll just start, guys, with gold as usual. Yeah, I'll show you today step by step, wave by wave, how we have forecasted this one and how market was moving step by step, wave by wave, because this was amazing. Okay, as you can see here, from this level we said market will correct for one push up. Follow me, guys, step by step, wave by wave, with the dates as well. This was basically Sunday 9. As you can see here, market was here. We said corrective structure, one push up. Any proof for that? Let me show you this here. This was basically the forecast for July 9, as you can see here. Okay, we said market will correct and one will push up. As you can see, this forecast was basically made on this date. I hope like you can see the date, guys. If you put the resolution for the full HD, you'll be able to see that. Okay, so in this one, as you can see, from here we set corrective structure, one will push up. Look at this. This is the market, and market gave us a corrective structure, one will push up. The reason I'm showing this here step by step today, guys, just to show you the power of wave analysis and the power of we trade waves, wave analysis concept, because everything is about knowledge and experience. Nothing is magical here. Okay, this is the first wave, this is the first step. Last week we said market will correct for one will push up. Look at this. This here was last week. Okay, this was basically streamed 6 days ago, which is like last Saturday. We set corrective structure, one push up. So I really hope those of you guys who have traded basically gold made money trading this up wave. Make sense? So first move, corrective structure, one push up. Second wave, corrective structure here, another up wave. If you trade this up move, you must have made money. Okay, there is no way, because if you miss this one, you can trade this one. This is what our members basically are doing. And this is what they are getting based on a daily basis, by the way, from the daily sessions. Okay, because weighted waivers, those of you who don't know about our membership, guys, you can just go to our website and check it. Okay, I'll just speak about it in a moment, but just to let you know step by step about the power of we trade waves, wave analysis concept, because it's very, very important. I'll show you the details as well. Yeah, so we have seen this to the upside, we have seen this to the upside. Now I'll show you here what we said on Wednesday. Wednesday, guys, is a session for weighted waivers, only for those who joined the membership. I'll show you what we said here, and you'll be shocked, actually. Let me show you this one. This was Wednesday session. Let me just, I really hope you can hear the voice. I'll just try to also enable the voice. This is basically a private session. As you can see, it's private for only weighted waivers, all right? So those of you who are not subscribing to weighted waivers membership, you will not get access to these updates, to these sessions. Look at this.
Money with this one, because this has already tapped 1940. Now what I'm expecting, a corrective structure, one more push to the upside before the CPI would be nice. If it does not tap 1940 above once more before CPI, then CPI is potentially going to drop this once more to the downside again.
So guys, look at this. Yeah, this was streamed, like I said, on Wednesday, and look at this. From here, market gave us a corrective structure, one push up, corrective structure, one push up, and then the drop. So that's, guys, the main point about having the knowledge. And that's why, guys, all our members, they are gaining amazing knowledge. Okay, guys, this was just a step-by-step process about how we were forecasting gold. Yeah, so this is the market in front of you. Let me show you this one very quickly. This is the market in front of you. This was market last week. We basically, market was here last week. Okay, I'll show you what we said on last Saturday session and how market behaves as well. So all these moves step by step, wave by wave, even here, I think you can see that. Okay, this was also covered during our last Saturday session. So all of you who are new to weighted waves, guys, you can go to our channel and check this again and again. I'm repeating this one. Apologies for being boring for that, but this is very, very important to show. Once I finish this one, I'll show you basically more things today. I'll cover these charts for you, the chart that you can see to the right side of the screen. And after that, guys, you can see actually how market was moving. Let me show you again last week, last Saturday. This was the forecast of last Saturday. Look at this, 6 days ago. Okay, so this what we said last Saturday. Market will correct for another drop. Not only that, on Saturday we said the levels. We said 1980. Look at this one. Might give us a corrective structure. This 1980 here, and you've got this drop. I know a lot of you trade gold, and I really hope, guys, you was making money trading this one step by step, wave by wave. Now, here's the deal. Guys, after streak of wins or after big win, you have to take a break. There's no question about that, because if you basically start to take big wins and start to make money in trading, a break is needed. This will help you from taking basically wrong decisions, because two emotions will basically kill your trading: fear and greed. Okay, if you get like streak of wins, you'll start to have like the greed emotion will kick in, and this will affect your next decision. Also, if you get streak of losses, the fear will start to kick in, and it will also affect your next decision. Okay, so in trading, the most important thing is to stay disciplined. How to be that? How to basically to be disciplined? It's about psychology. How to learn psychology? You have to learn how to trade correctly from the right mentors and from the right resources. Okay, so for gold, I think you can see this, guys, step by step, wave by wave on every single move. Okay, now before I cover what next here, let me show you one more thing about the community. Look at this. This was also last week. All of what I will show you now, it was only during the last week of July, and this was only during the last 7 days. This one of our members, he passed basically the funded challenge, MFF, last week. Carl, also you can see Nav, he passed also this one. And to pass one of these challenges, guys, it needs a lot of discipline, a lot of knowledge, and good implementation. All of this, you can learn it only if you have the knowledge and if you have daily sessions. This is what we are giving, actually. So these two basically members, we are proud of you guys. By the way, we are proud about every single member of Heated Waves. Every single one, guys, is making progress. If not money, they are making progress. Because once you learn something, no one can take it from you. Okay? And look at this as well. If I scroll up to this one, I'll show you one more thing. This also Vanish. It's not his first challenge, but actually, okay, it's I think it's the 5th or the 6th, if I'm not wrong. Okay. Also, he passed this one last week. Look at this. This is July 27th. Okay. Not only that, I'll show you one more message. Please, guys, you can stop the video and you can read it later on. Farhan, we are so proud of you, and we are happy for you as well. Okay. This is sort of community, guys, you have to be in. There's no other way. Trading is a lonely business. So if you want to trade alone, you can do that. Nothing wrong with that. It's your decision. But being with like-minded people, this basically where you see the real success. Again, going back to here. Last week, we have conducted something that no one basically is doing this, okay, which is the backtesting session. And this session basically was posted inside the Weighted Waves members dashboard. I'll show you this one. This basically backtesting session. This basically how we backtest, okay? So this is something you can get access to as soon as you subscribe. All these Q&A sessions also will get access to this one. On top of that, the trades of the week that was shared during our last weekly Sunday session, you can see it here, okay? These were the trades of the week. I'll not show you only pictures. I'll show you, by the way, the levels. I'll show you also videos for that before we start the forecast, because again, this is very, very important. Last week was great, okay? I really hope a lot of you guys made money, okay? Because it was amazing week. Look at this example, XPT. Let me show you this one quickly. I'll show you the levels as well. Look at this. This was posted on 23rd of July, okay? We said we are looking for sell setup XPT near 980 and break down towards 940. Remember these levels. This posted on 23rd of July, okay? Let me go to XPT here. Look at this. This was the sell setup and this was the trade, okay? Let me go back to this one. 980 to 940. Look at this. This 980 and this 940. Can you see the power of knowledge? Nothing is magic. It's pure knowledge, guys, okay? From where to take the trade, entry, target, even the stop loss levels, where to enter, where to exit. All this, guys, step-by-step process we teach our members, okay? Again, apologies for being bored. If you feel like this is not something you want to be in, just you can leave this one and watch other channels, okay? But this is very important to show you the before and after, just to show you basically the power of knowledge. Nothing to show off. We are not showing off here. We are just being proud about what we do and being proud of our members, what they are doing, because this real happens. Once we see members passing fundamental challenges and making success here and reading some sort of these messages, this real happens, okay? Those of you are thinking like we are making money only from this one, we are making money from trading. We have showed you this more than once here on our YouTube channel, okay? And I'll not repeat the story why we are not showing this on a weekly basis, because it's not about showing off. It's about showing you the power of knowledge and push you to learn how to trade correctly, not only from us, you can go and join any other one, okay? I'm just showing you basically, guys, the knowledge, and you decide later on. Okay, guys? And this basic CAD yen scalp to the downside, Japan 225, we've got the corrective structure up, and we have updated you also on Wednesday about what to do here. Also Aussie yen, we've got the pullback here. It was like a drop, and then after that market dropped and then start to push back up, and the XPT, and also the scalp to the upside for all the majors. So if I go to this one here, euro dollar up, this was scalping trade to the upside. Pound dollar up. We said during our last Sunday session, first part of the week, weighted waivers, you must know that, right? Scalp up, Aussie dollar, scalp to the upside. So all these moves were moving as expected. Guys, this is basically the power of knowledge, okay? So I really hope you are benefiting from these forecasts, step by step, wave by wave, because during the forecast, I'll share with you also tips, advice that can help you with your trading, okay? So this was, guys, for last week. Again, it was amazing. Next week, we have these news events, which are very, very important. We have Aussie cash rate, we have pound dollar also here, the official bank rate, and we also have the NFP on Friday. So next week, it will also be very, very important, especially it will be the first week of the next month. Also, just to show you one more thing, before we start the forecast, again, it's a lot of things guys shared today, but it's very, very important. Dollar yen. Dollar yen was one of our trades of the month. We said this from here to here. We have traded this one to the upside during the month as well. This corrective structure, and this was BOJ, by the way. It was a mess. Non-basic can survive these moves, by the way, okay? This a corrective structure. Structurally, market was moving as expected, and now we are pushing to the upside, okay? But just to show you, also the trades of the month were moving as expected, not only trades of the week. Despite our service is not a signal service. This is what you will get if you join us, okay? Just you can read this one here, or you can go to our website to see the details. Every single feature is basically explained in details on the website, okay? This in regards to if you'd like to join us. And during our Sunday session that will be conducted tomorrow for weighted waivers at 1 p.m. UK time by T, we'll give you the trades of the month for August. Guys, do not miss that. Okay, do not miss that. It will be a very, very important session, by the way, tomorrow. Back to gold. Those of you are asking questions in the chat, I'll finish this one, guys. I'll take your questions and we end the session. Please, those of you are watching us, try to give us a thumbs up. It will be very important it will motivate me, first of all. And second, it will be very important for YouTube algo, okay? Because the more you like and the more you comment, this will help YouTube algo to share the forecast to more traders. So if you can like and comment, once the stream will finish, you can just drop a comment underneath and try to watch it from more than one device till the end. Again, this will help YouTube algo to show the forecast to more traders. This is the exact way you found us. It just will take probably 1 minute from you to give us a like and drop a comment once the stream will finish, and watch it from more than one device. Back to gold. For this one, step by step, wave by wave, you know the story. What's next, okay? For this one, after this drop, market start to push up. We've took liquidity from here, perfect. Market took liquidity under this low, amazing. Now we've got this up wave. Alan, will this be pushing all the way up to break this top? We don't have enough information yet. I need more waves here. I need more structure to say if this will be going to the upside or not. Am I expecting this one to correct and push back up? Yes, but not to break this top for now. I'm expecting a corrective structure upwards for another fall. This is my personal point of view for gold. A corrective structure for another drop, okay? So, which wave to trade is up to you. What I will do, if I get a corrective structure, I might go for the buy as a short-term trade, and after that, I'll probably take profits and wait for the next structure. For now, based on the current market structure, this is what we can say. More details about the structure. If this will be one of our trades of the or trade of the month, all of this will be shared in details by T during our Sunday live session that will be conducted tomorrow at 1 p.m. UK time. For now, this is what I can say. Can I be wrong here? 100% I can be wrong. It's not about being right. It's about maximizing profits when you are right and minimizing losses when you are wrong. Once you master that, guys, that's the next level in trading. If you really want the next level in trading, you have to join weighted waves. There is no other way. Again, it's not about showing off. It's about knowing the power of the community and knowing the power of what we can teach you. That's the point. That's the only point. Okay? Again, if you don't want, it's up to you. So, for gold, this is exactly what I can say. Yes, all for this one, I was expecting market to drop. Instead, we've got a push up, corrective structure up, correction up, correction up. What's next? I still see that this one will be falling. Okay, so I'm expecting one more fall here, something similar to this one minimum. Once I get this drop, we will update you. But just to show you what I can see one drop coming for USOIL because this wave is not completed for me. This structure, it's in the making, which means one more fall is very possible. Okay? After that, one push up here, and after this up wave, another fall will be coming. Forget about this move. I'm just giving you the step-by-step process, but what I will focus on is this drop. If I get a sell setup, this is the move. Okay? Best Amazon products on chat, trust me on that, yeah? Weighted waivers are basically loyal members, okay? So do not expect them just to send you the videos like that. It's first of all, they will not do it, and second of all, it's not fair, okay? All our members, okay, we are treating them as family. This family spirit inside the community, that's what makes Weighted Waves community so special, okay? So do not please try to speak about that, okay? Back to this one, dollar yen. What market is doing here? We've got this up wave, might give us a corrective structure, one push up. What was the forecast for this one? Let me go back to here. This was, by the way, last week's forecast for dollar yen. And we said after this up wave, corrective structure, another push up. This was the forecast, okay? This was the expectation. This was the prediction. And look at this. But gave us a corrective structure despite of BOJ. We're having BOJ, yeah? And our bias was BOJ will be going, like, will push yen pairs to the upside. This was our bias, okay? And before that, they did all the sort of manipulation, which is this one, up, down, up. No basic short-term traders can survive this move, by the way. If I go to 15 minutes or 1 hour, you'll see basically how fast these moves were. But anyway, structure, market basically, news affect the market, okay? Let me just explain you this in a better way. News cause volatility in the market, that's for sure. But market 90% of the times follow a certain direction defined by the structure. How to learn the structure? You have to learn how to trade correctly. You have to learn we trade waves, wave analysis concept, to understand the structures and be able to predict the next wave. Because the first thing you do before you join or before you click the trade, you have to have a bias, right? And to have a correct bias, you have to do the correct analysis. And trust me on that, analysis and having an edge is just one part. Execution, implementation, managing the trades, managing your psychology, learn how to be disciplined, all of this, you can find it inside the community, but you cannot learn it alone. It will be very tough. So joining Weighted Waves, it will save you years of losing and years of basically suffering as well in trading, because you know, trading is not an easy business. Being a successful trader is one of the toughest things in the world. So do not expect to learn trading in 1 week, 2 weeks. This needs no less than 6 to 8 months after you join us to master Weighted Waves, wave analysis concept. There's no shortcut. The only shortcut is by learning how to trade correctly. If you are searching for signals, for signal services, good luck for you. This channel is not for you. If you are looking for knowledge, Weighted Waves is the only solution that you have to look for. Okay, I cannot be more clear than that, guys. Okay, so Dorian, corrective structure, one push up. This is what I am still seeing here. I'm expecting market to push up. DXY, also for this one, back to here. This is what we said last week. Corrective structure, another push up. And this is the market in front of you. I'm only showing you guys what we said on Saturday, yeah? And what we said on Sunday, you have seen the trades of the week, and the Sunday session, by the way, it's more than 2 hour session. Like I'd say 1.5 to 2 hour session where we cover all these charts in details, plus the indices, plus the other pairs, plus your requests in details. And we cover at the start of every Sunday session the news events in details, guys, okay? And we speak about the macroeconomic factors and what's happening in the world. You don't have to miss these sessions. They are amazing, by the way, okay? They are gold. So back to the XY. We've got a pullback, a corrective structure, and shoot back up. This one, I see market correcting here for one more push up. Despite this can be a complete corrective structure, I might be wrong here, okay? But I can still see corrective structure, one push up. First thing first, this is based on structure. Number two, this is based on seasonality. These sort of things, guys, you cannot hear them but at weighted waves. Backtesting channel, like I said, it was gold. All the members were liking this one, and you can see the recording once you join WTW membership. You can go to the monthly tab, and you can see basically the recording of the backtesting channel. You will see exactly how we backtest and what is included once we go to analyze the charts, okay? What I can see, corrective structure, one push up. I'm repeating, it's not about me being wrong. It's about you making money from our forecasts. If you can do that, well done. If you can follow the 4 golden rules, you will never ever break your trading account. Because number one, you have to protect your money. Before you grow your account, you have to protect what you have. And I assume that most of you are trading actually hard-earned money. Okay, so if you follow weighted ways 4 golden rules, you will never ever break your account. Just print them, guys, and try to execute them every time you are taking the trade. The 4 golden rules are: do not jump in, do not over-risk and overtrade, do not trade without stop loss, and never ever add to losing position. Even if you think that in this way you'll break even faster, which is correct, but one single move can wipe you out. Imagine, one single trade can wipe you out. What about one single move? What about basically adding to losing position and putting yourself in the worst situation ever? Like imagine being in drawdown for 1%, and by adding to losing position, instead of being in drawdown for 5%, if you start to add losing position, the drawdown will be going up exponentially, which means instead of being in 5% drawdown, you might be in 20% drawdown. And recovering 20% drawdown, do not think it's easy without over risking. So all in all, it's just one single basic, guys, image, right? So if you print the 4 golden rules, you put them in front of you whilst you are trading, you will never ever break your trading account. My goal here is to help you not losing your trading account. If you want to grow this one, you have to join us, because the real knowledge is inside the membership. Okay? Now, those of you are thinking like I'm just like selling the membership. Guys, all I want is you to succeed. And we are building, we have the best trading community. All what we are looking for is to maintain this community and have the quality inside it. It's about the quality, not the quantity. And thank God we have it. We have the best trading community with amazing members. We are proud about every single member, and it's all for one and one for all. Back to the XY. Corrective structure, one push up. That's what I can see next. All right? Euro dollar, back to here. Again, I'm going for before and after because it's very, very important actually. This was before. This was last week's forecast. Corrective structure and then drop. Even we said, if this one we're going all the way up to break this top, I'll be looking only for the sell setups. The move is toward the downside. Despite we were having basically the dollar news last week, the bias was toward the downside. We've got a corrective structure, a pullback. This was also a pattern that we teach our members. You can see here what happened actually. Liquidity grab, and then after that, market started to fall to the downside. This was the trade, and I really hope you made money trading this drop. Okay? Guys, again, can you hear me clearly just for the second confirmation? If yes, please put in the chat. Okay, so corrective structure, another fall. This is the move, and this basically the forecast for euro dollar last week. What I'm expecting next, a corrective structure for another drop. I can still see euro dollar dropping to the downside. This is what I can see. Okay, well, will the market give us this one? We have to see. We have to wait for the correction and for the structure to complete here before the next drop. Right, guys? This basically for your dollar. Thanks for confirming, by the way, this out. So this is what I can see next. Okay, corrective structure, one more fall. Which wave to trade? If you are a scalper and you want to go for this one, no problem. It's up to you. Will this be one of our trades of the week? We'll let you know during our Sunday session. This might be one of trades of the month as well. Who knows? All this will be shared during our Sunday session for weekday waivers. Pound dollar, again, we've got a pullback and then a drop. Back to this one, step by step. I think that there's no one in the internet who can give you all these, I would say, before and after with this high accuracy, okay? From the trades of the month, from the trades of the week, from the forecast, from every single wave. It's only at weighted waves, okay? And really, I really hope you guys made money trading the market last week. Pound dollar, we said this was, by the way, last week's forecast, 6 days ago. Corrective structure, another drop. Look at this. Corrective structure, another drop. Amazing. This is the power of knowledge. I'm not showing off. I'm basically confident about what I can, how I can read the structure and how I can basically teach the members, okay? And I really hope you made money trading this down wave. What's next? For pound dollar, this is a complete structure, which means, personally, if I get a corrective structure, I might go for this buy if I see my buy setup, our buy setup, which are 4 strategies, and we have the 5th one. It was shared during our last Q&A session, and it's inside monthly Q&A tab inside the dashboard about how to add to winning positions in this one. All right, we have 5 strategies, even more than that, about how to trade. Okay, so if I see one of our strategies here, I might go for the buy, even if this will be a corrective structure for one more drop. What I can see, what my bias is, corrective structure, one more fall. This is what I can see. Okay, so scalpers, you can go for this trade if you'd like, no problem with that. And swing traders, you can wait for market to give you a complete corrective structure before you go for the next sell. My bias is toward the downside. I might be wrong, and if I will be going for this buy, I will not take profits. I will take partial profits and move the rest at break even, in case market will keep pushing to the upside to break this top once more. Because in the bigger picture, pound dollar is basically in an uptrend, okay? And this is a complete corrective structure. I'm not expecting that. I'm just saying that the structure is completed if market needs to go up, okay? I'm not expecting the up wave, but market can do that based on structures. What I can see, again, I'm repeating this again and again, corrective structure for one more drop. Guys, all of you are watching right now, please give us a thumbs up. I'm repeating, once you finish this stream, if you can leave a comment, thank you for the chats, by the way, for the comments on the chat, guys. If you can leave a comment, because you cannot leave a comment while I'm streaming. Once you finish the stream, please watch it from more than one device. And if you can leave a comment and watch it till the end, or keep it running alone more than once, okay? Because this will have basically more watching time for YouTube algo. And this also will motivate me, okay? If I see more likes on the video. By the way, let me promise you one thing. I will try probably next week or the week after. Let's do one thing, yeah? If I see more than 500 likes on this video, okay? That's why I'm watching right now. If I see more than 500 likes on this video, I might be giving you guys, I'll be going basically live with you for 1 week, okay? Every day, from Monday till Friday. Going live with you, just explaining you about the charts, probably go for the updates. Again, just it's some sort of win-win situation, all right? Like some sort of give back. Because I really like, guys, all of you are following us since the beginning and even liking and commenting on every single video. Because me personally, I rarely comment on any video, okay? But because you appreciate, guys, what we are doing, if I see more than 500 likes on this video, I'll give you basically 1 week of live sessions from Monday till Friday. Okay, I'll give you the details later, but try to share this one. Try to push your friends to like this one. If I see 500 likes, I'll give you 1 week of live stream, okay, from Monday till Friday, probably 30 minutes, 15 minutes updates. I'll think about that, but just the idea came into my mind right now, okay? So again, because I really, guys, want you to succeed in trading, okay? So I think you get that. Even if you can post the message as a comment once you finish this one, so everyone who is watching this one, he can basically like and comment on the video once we finish, okay? Again, I'm repeating, if I see more than 500 likes on this stream, once it finished, next week I'll basically check that If it's more than 500 likes, I'll give you 1 week of live stream. Okay? So back to Aussie dollar. For this one, again, market gave us a corrective structure here and then a drop. What's next? Another corrective structure and one more fold. This is what I can see next for Aussie dollar. Okay? New Zealand dollar, for this one, might give us a corrective structure and then a drop. What's next? A corrective structure, one more fold. This is what I can see. Even this is a complete structure. Well, for this one, we have only one, I would say, one type of structure or one sort of waves where we can see a change of structure and where this one will not come or it will be invalidated. Only if we see market pushing to the upside hard, corrective structure, this way the structure will change actually. Despite if we'll break this top or not, even it can be from here. Corrective structure, if we see this one, another push up will be coming. For now, I'll be focusing on the sell setups correction, one more drop. If we see any change of structure, we'll update you during our Sunday session or even during our Monday session. Our Wednesday session. Okay? All these charts, guys, we are giving the updates on a daily basis as well. With our seniors and moderators, they are giving basically the daily live sessions here, daily trading room live sessions. They are updating you on every single chart and any chart you want actually. Okay? So the daily sessions are very, very important. And thanks for the team and moderators. They are doing amazing job. They are not only sharing guys the updates about the charts, they are also sharing their knowledge. Okay? Which is very, very important. Again, what you are getting guys is gold. And all weighted waivers are gaining amazing experience actually inside the community. Pound yen, for this one, we've got the drop, up, corrective structure up. This was a complete structure, drop, correction, and this was the move. After this drop, if you trade this down move, guys, to the downside, I hope you made money. If not, after this drop, market started to push up. Okay, so what next for this one? What to expect next for pound yen? This structure gets basically extended to the downside. My bias didn't change. It's to the upside. Okay, we've got this drop. They took everybody out under this one and this one. And after that, market started to push back up. This is a complete structure. What's next? I'll wait for market to give me a corrective structure here. Another push up will be coming. I'm still expecting pound yen to push upwards, probably above 185. Okay, look at the bigger picture, by the way. We are in a strong uptrend. One push up is very possible here for pound yen before the next move. All right. Dollar CAD, for this one, market started to push up. Corrective structure up. This is a corrective structure. This is a complex structure, by the way. What I can see here, one more drop, another push up. This is a complex structure, and we can see a running flat, inside a running flat, inside another structure. So without going into too much details here, one more fall, another push up. This is the short term moves for dollar CAD. Silver, amazing. Corrective structure, and then the fall. I think all of you guys remember silver, right? This was amazing, I would say amazing move for silver. And even we have set the levels and the details for this one. If I show you this one again here. Let me show you silver here, guys. This pound yen, dollar CAD, and this should be silver here. Look at this. This was last week's forecast, all right? Corrective structure and drop. We're biased to the downside. We've got this corrective structure. It was a bit deep, but doesn't matter because we know where to enter. After that, a drop. What's next? Again, despite this being a corrective structure, a complete structure, I'm expecting market to give me a corrective structure here. One more fall. Guys, nothing is hindsight here. All the videos are inside our YouTube channel. You can go here. You can go to weighted waves, to this one. All right, and you can see these videos here. You can go. This was streamed 6 days ago. Nothing is hidden. Everything is on our channel. Okay, and you can see all these videos inside the channel at the homepage of Weighted Waves YouTube channel. Okay, and I think you can see basically the power of knowledge, guys. Right? What next for silver? Corrective structure. One more fall. This is what I can see next. Well, can the market go all the way up and then to break this top and this top? 100% it can. If that's the case, I will ignore it. No buy setup to me. I'm not interested in the buy for now. unless I see the structure and unless I see the setups. For now, I can see corrective structure, one more fall. So do not go on Monday, jump in the sell here, risking all your account. And if market go to the upside, you go for the next week and you say, Alan, I lost my account just trading silver prediction because you said this is going to the downside. It's not signal service, guys. Okay, it's my point of view, and you have to take this one as some sort of additional confirmation for what you know. If you don't know what you are doing, you should not trade. You have to learn how to trade correctly first before you risk your money. That's essential. That's very, very critical. Okay, never ever risk your money before you learn how to trade correctly, because it's not gambling, guys. It's not get rich quick scheme. Okay, it's about putting the right efforts in the right place, I would say, with the right people before you start making money from trading. It's not easy. It's one of the toughest things in the world to be a successful trader. Thank God we are successful traders, and a lot of our members are successful traders. By the way, we were not having time to post all of this, but if you go to Insta and you go to this one, you can see basically the post, the feedbacks, testimonials, all are our numbers, by the way. This is Tom. And if you go here to the upside, you can see the Trustpilot, what our members are saying. And you can see also FTMO and MFF highlight to see how many members were passing the funded trade challenges. I suggest you to go to Trustpilot profile, guys, and read about us, okay? We are one of the top companies, I would say, top communities who have these sort of feedbacks, okay? And by the way, all we know that Trustpilot, with Trustpilot, you cannot buy feedbacks, okay? All these are our members, by the way, and this verified. One by one, all our members, okay? If you ask me who is this member, I just can show you, okay? So do not think it's are any fake reviews or something. All this are legit, and Trustpilot, you cannot fake the reviews, by the way. They have the system, they have their AIs. All these reviews are from Weighted Waves members. And you can see even here, the success stories, how many members were passing the FTMO challenges, and I just show you 3 last week only, okay? So that was it for that. Go back to here. Bitcoin. Well, market is just moving around these levels. You know that I was expecting market to break these lows, right? Market have done that. What's next? I didn't get the reaction that I want, but even though if we get one more drop here, or if we get a corrective structure, and then one more fall, another push-up will be coming. I'm still expecting market to go up, and Bitcoin is an investment. It's not for trading for me, okay? All weighted waivers, they know basically that this is an investment, okay? So my bias is toward the upside. Also, all of you know the structure here, step-by-step process. This was 5 waves corrective structure. And some of, I would say, of the followers, I know like if everyone is liking you, something is wrong, okay? So a lot of our members, we have basically some competitors, haters, whatever you want to call them. They said, Alan, you don't show basically the labeling here. Guys, we do not trade Elliott waves. This is weighted waves wave analysis concept. And if I need to give you like W, X, Y, X, Z, there's no sense. It's hindsight, because I'm not trading the wave 5 here. I'm not trading numbers or letters. I'm trading the structure. And all of this based on knowledge and experience, okay? What we are doing here is analyzing the structure, analyze the waves, wave by wave, before we go live on Saturday or Sunday, or even the daily sessions, or even update you on every Wednesday session. We are doing the homework, okay? We are doing basically the analysis here, because it's a responsibility. 5K to 10K people are watching this on a weekly basis. So imagine if a lot of members are making money. This is the real happiness, okay? I don't care if you have $1 million trading this one based on the forecast, or you have $100, okay? We are trading every single trader, every single member equally, okay? This is the fair point. So back to this one. Corrective structure, one push up will be coming. This is what I can see next for Bitcoin. Market is correcting, probably giving us an expanding flat for another push up. Alan, what if this will be falling to the downside? It will be some sort of manipulation. I'm not interested. US30, market went up, it gave us corrective structure. This was a complete corrective structure, by the way. Here, up, another corrective structure, and then up again. We've got this up wave and we broke this top. So for US30, guys, what's next? I will ignore any buy setup here. I'll be looking only for the sell setups, okay? This was an extended wave here in the last wave, which is totally fine. That does mean if market didn't start to fall from here, I should lose my account with this up wave, okay? I think all of you guys know that. So what's next here? I'm expecting market to fall. Any sell setup from these levels, I'm going to take it. All right, guys. With that note, I'll just, before we end the session, let me just go for the chat for just, I would say 5 to 15 minutes. Let me remind you about the likes. If I see more than 500 likes of this forecast next week, I might give you the weekly live sessions, okay, where I'll be going on a weekly basis. Not weekly basis, I'll be going basically from Monday to Friday and give you live stream, probably go through the charts, maybe you charge you out. I'll just find the way for it. But again, let's first of all get 500 likes on the stream, and then we take it from there. For now, I'll go for the chat, guys. Just read some of your questions, and we end the session. So, excellent, Alan. Gold went. Yes, thank you very much. This is exactly what market did. I hope like you made money trading gold. How do we access Wednesday session and at what time? Weston, Wednesday session is only for weekday waivers, weekday waves members. And to get access to that, you have to subscribe to WTW membership. All the details are on our website. Okay? Yeah, Farhan, thank you very much. Yeah, I might probably do that next week, but regardless, I think the moves were clear. Okay? Every single move for gold, guys. It was amazing. We've made a lot of money trading gold, by the way, ourselves. Joya is saying like you guys did really well with pound as well. Actually, yes, exactly. Pound was crazy. I like to trade pound dollar, as most of you know. Pound dollar is one of my favorite pairs as well to trade. I like it a lot, and it respects one of our strategies also in a very good way. Okay, for actually pound. Let me just zoom in here back to gold, because this gold was amazing actually. So. What else? No problem, Robert. You can basically just go for other challenges. I really wish you good luck in trading, yeah? Yes, thank you, Joshin. That's exactly what I said. Perfect, Weston. You will get the training. Right. Best Amazon products, I think you get the answer. Yeah, we have a lot of members basically. You can go to previous videos, to Trustpilot, anywhere to ask about that. No problem. Stefan, yes, this basically, like I said, what I'll do if we get more than 500 likes on this one. Guys, those of you are new, please make sure to subscribe, yeah, and hit the bell icon. Can we see Euro-Yen forecast? Matty, to be very honest with you, if I show you Euro-Yen forecast, first thing first, it will not be fair for all the followers who are watching right now, because if I share Euro-Yen and they ask me about any other pair, I should also cover this. This is first. Second, it's not fair for weighted waivers. The other pairs are covered during our Sunday session, yeah? Sorry about that, okay? It was amazing with the Aussie dollar gold. Yes, exactly, Omar. It was great. Aladdin, thank you for your feedback. So Aladdin is one of our members. Those of you are asking. I think he also gave his feedback here. Thank you very much. Hi, Alan. Managed to get in the buy for gold. How would you manage that? Jerry, if I'm in the buy from let's say from lower levels, I'll just move it to break even and wait for market to give me a complete corrective structure and probably take partial profits and leave the rest at break even. Why this is important? Because in case market will go otherwise, in case market will keep pushing to the upside, I'll still be making money. I'll make more money. If market will fall to the downside as what I was expecting, corrective structure for another fall, I'll be also making some money. So in all the cases, the main point is to make money from trading, yeah? So remember one thing, Jerry, yeah? After you get in the trade, it's not only for Jerry, it's for all of you. After you get in the trade, you should only have 4 outcomes, okay? Small loss, break even, small win, or big win. Big loss situation, it shouldn't be one of your outcomes. Because one big loss situation, guys, it can affect you massively, okay? And you can lose your account only from one single bad trade. I'm repeating that because this happens to a lot of traders. I have one member actually who lost $1 million in one single trade. Okay, this reality actually. One single trade, $1 million, because he was adding to losing positions and market was falling again and again on him. Okay, so this is what I'm saying. Just make sure to not be in the big loss situation. How to do that? Just follow weighted waves, 4 golden rules. I'm giving guys everything on plate, yeah, about what to do. The toughest point is the implementation. You might not be able to implement that because of the fear of missing out, because if you see market start to push up, I don't want to miss this up move, you'll start to jump in. All these guys, we know it, all right? And that's why we have the all-in-one solution to help you pass that, to help you achieve the success in trading. And we are showing you this on a wiki base, by the way. If you think that you cannot afford this one, no problem. This means if you cannot afford, guys, weighted waves membership, you can just follow what I'm doing on every Saturday because it's free for all of you. And you can gain a lot of knowledge from that. But if you really want the next level in trading, there is no way. Weighted wave solution is the only solution that you have to look for. All right, Muhammad, we appreciate, guys. Thank you very much. Leo, this is the best community. Thank you, Leo. Muna, the masterclass course and community are #1. And second, thank you, Muna. Appreciate that. Right. Euro dollar downside is great. It's what I see also. Perfect, Daniel. This is what the forecast is all about, yeah? To take this one as additional confirmation for your knowledge. It's not like just following us blindly. You should not follow anyone blindly, by the way. You should do your homework, you should do your analysis, and just go here to confirm that. Now, if you are here just to see what I'm seeing in the market and trade blindly, you will lose. You might win 1, 2, 3 times, but one time if I'm wrong and you're following blindly, you'll be losing your account, and you will basically blame us later, okay? At the end of the day, you are losing the money. It's not us. That's why we are guiding you on what to do. If you don't want to basically listen, it's a different story. Okay? Weighted wrong number. Thank you, Gzash. Gzash Street Workout. Thank you very much. Can you repeat how did you say that GU structure is now a complete structure? GU structure is now... Danny, I think you can watch the recording, yeah? But this is the complete structure, by the way, just to show you. This is a complete structure, okay? This is GU. This is the complete structure technically. Even if that, I'm not expecting the market to go all the way up to break the... It can do that structurally, but I'm not expecting that, okay? I'm expecting corrective structure for another drop. All right, Danny, hope that helps. I cannot explain more than that, yeah? Because again, I don't want to go into too much details. This is not fair for weighted waivers. Right. Muhammad, perfect. Stefan, which time frame do you use for analysis? Guys, wave analysis is top-down analysis, which means we start from the yearly all the way down to the 1 hour. But because of the knowledge experience, we know basically where the market is at the moment. We know the big picture. So I can even draw you basically the weekly chart for pound dollar without looking at the chart, without going basically in, up in the time frame. Okay, so we memorize the charts actually. All right, Stefan, hope that helps. Right. 428 like more. Yeah, let's see, guys. Like I said, more than 500 likes, and we'll go for 1 week of live stream. Right. Unbelievable. The value stream are huge. Well, yeah, thank you, Royden. Thank you very much. Matty, I think I answered you regarding Euro Yen. Yes, Jerry, I think everybody should like and comment under this video once the stream will end. Yeah, I think you can like now, you can give the thumbs up now, and once the stream will finish, you can go and comment. All right? Lotfi, you are fantastic. I joined WTW since 1 month. I am very happy. I take amazing, Lotfi. That's exactly what we want to hear, and that's what makes us happy. Okay? Again, we are making money from trading and want every single member to also make money from trading. That's the reality, because guys, really speaking, yeah, happiness is not about getting. Happiness is about giving. Saifullah, please reduce membership fee. So, well, Saifullah, in regards to that, to be very honest with you, it's just to maintain the, it's just the cost. Yeah, we have a lot of costs, by the way. I don't want to basically go into detail, but just like to pay the employees, go for all the other expenses, just for that, you know. And just to let you know, if you give anything free, people will not appreciate that, okay? So that's the thing, okay? And the value that you will get inside this one, it worth much than that. You will not know that until you are inside. Okay, once you are inside, you'll see basically the value, because no one in the world is giving what we are giving inside the community. The number one and best answer, yeah, exactly. Thank you, Peter. Sorry, Alan, I late watched the live. Kahyu, buddy, no problem. You can watch the recording once the stream will finish. I think YouTube will take just 10 to 15 minutes to process the HD version. And anyway, the team will notify you on Telegram, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, all the social media platforms. And by the way, guys, you can follow us on all our social media platforms if you are not, just to get notification. If you are not getting the notification on YouTube. Okay. Long on Bitcoin with 25x leverage. Well, Desiree, wish you good luck for that. It's up to you basically if you want to go long from here or not, but I'm expecting market to push up. Even if we get one more fall for Bitcoin, another upwave will be coming. Omer Kadian will be covered during our Sunday session. I'm afraid that I cannot cover it here. It's not fair for weighted wafers, okay? Yes, Joseph, that's exactly the case. Yes, that's the point. Always remember the 4 golden rules. They are very important, and they are basically the reality of not breaking your account. Thank you, today. I joined last week and already made some profits in gold. All right, guys, I think you can see these, like the members who are commenting on the live chat, okay? Again, if you think that this forecast is not for you, you can simply unsubscribe and go to other channels. We wish you good luck, and I'm really speaking, I wish you good luck in trading and hope you made money, okay? But if you are really looking for the next level in trading, it's only at Weighted Waves. I'm telling you from now, because it's not from, don't take my word for it. This is my members what are saying, okay? So what members are saying, it's what I'm saying. So also you can go to Trustpilot and read what our members are saying. You can go to Instagram and see what they are saying. All these feedbacks are from Weighted Waivers, okay? Caps 300 trading is already complicated. Without a good community, you won't make it. Yes, this is one of the best, I would say this is one of the shortcuts, guys, for you if you want to succeed in trading. You have to join the right mentors and the right community, being with like-minded people who are successful. That's it. That's the short story for it. Oh, Christian, right, now I know you. Right. All right, guys, with that note, guys, I really hope you'll make money next week as well. For Weighted Waivers, do not miss tomorrow's session. It will be very important, even with the Wednesday update, because we have a lot of news, and he will explain you everything in details during our Sunday session at 1 p.m. UK time tomorrow.